Hello and welcome to CodeCrack. Today, what is the big deal with code generation by LLMs? Imagine telling your computer in plain English what program you want and it starts writing the code for you. That is essentially it. These AI models have learned from billions of lines of code more than any human could ever study. This allows them to tackle tasks like creating new functions, helping you debug tricky errors, or even translating code between different languages. Think about how much faster this could make your projects. It is all about boosting your productivity and letting you focus on bigger picture. Now, who are the main players in AI coding arena? You have probably heard about OpenAI GPT models like GPT-4 and the versions of those. They are versatile and great for conversational coding. Then there are specialized models like DeepSeek Coder built from ground up with code in mind, often leading with very accurate results. Then there is Meta's Code Llama, which is again fantastic open source option. What is cooler about open source that it allows anyone to build upon and innovate with these powerful tools. And don't forget smaller, efficient models like Phi 2, Mistral, etc. The landscape is diverse, offering different strengths for different needs. How LLMs generate code? It is incredibly clever pattern recognition. They learn from vast amount of codes and text they were trained on. When you give a prompt, the LLM predicts the next token. Think of tokens as words or even parts of words and symbols. It is like super autocomplete, building code piece by piece, one token at a time. We can even control how creative or precise they are using settings like temperature. A low temperature means more predictable focused code. Instruction tuning. And instruction tuning helps them get much better at understanding exactly what you want or the developer wants. So, will every LLM give you same code for the same request necessarily? Each model has its own unique styles and strengths. GPT-4, for example, often produces code that is easy to read and well commented. DeepSeek Coder might give you something very efficient and to the point. Code Llama is known for getting the programming syntax right. So why the difference is it often comes down to the specific data they were trained on and how they were fine tuned. The golden rule: always test your code yourself. Run it, check it, and see which model's output works best for your specific task. Want better code for your LLM? You have more control than you think. It starts with your prompt. Be super clear and specific. The more details you give, the better the AI understands your goal. Think of it like giving perfect instruction to very smart assistant. You can also use system messages to set the coding style or tone you prefer. Here is a pro tip. Ask the LLM to include test cases or explain its code. This helps you verify its work and understand the logic. Use cases for code generation. So, where can we actually use this powerful technology? Think of repetitive tasks like creating boilerplate code, or if you are stuck on an error, an LLM can often explain what is going wrong. It can help you modernize or refactor old chunky code. Need to write complex database queries in SQL or figure out API requests? You can describe your needs to LLM and it can draft it for you. Some developers are even using them to sketch out entire backend functions. Can you imagine the possibilities for your own? Okay, let's wrap up the key points from your introduction. Just don't add that part. Okay, so let's wrap up with the key points. LLMs are definitely capable of generating useful code, especially when you guide them with clear prompts. Remember, there is a whole family of these models, and those specialized for code often shines brightest for programming tasks. You can significantly boost the quality of AI generated code through smart prompting and by adjusting model settings. But the most vital lesson: treat LLMs as powerful assistants, not replacements. Always test, always validate, and always use your own expertise before deploying any AI generated code. This is the beginning of how AI will partner with developers like you. Thank you.